What is small, light, and energy efficient that can track virtually anything within 30 seconds? I think you guessed it, the Apple AirTag. Can be set up within minutes with an iPhone 6S or later models. Has a coin cell battery in here that lasts an entire year. Has a built-in speaker and gets a location pin GPS on your Find My app. I lose my keys almost every single day. With these attached to my keyring, all I need to do is say, "Hey Siri, find my keys," and it pings, alerts me right away. That way you can track your wallet, for example, or even better, your car or your luggage. And don't worry, all that data is fully encrypted for your privacy. And on a side note, I put one in my car, and when I don't remember where I parked, I just grab my Find My app, pings my car, and I walk straight to it. If you keep on misplacing things, maybe it's time you got an Apple AirTag.